Hi students, this is Mrs. Harper. Today, as I am not in school, you will be completing your work for guided reading by listening to my voice. So the first goal for today is that you will complete your word study assessment, your spelling assignment. So let's continue and listen to those directions. For the word study assessment, these are the directions. First, you will need to get the assessment from the folder. Then, write the words on the paper as you hear me say the words. If needed, you can rewind the video or pause and re-listen. Finally, put the assessment in the folder. Of course, this is independent and you are only using your memory and your mind. You are not using any other resources. I'm trusting my 4th grade students and I know you'll be responsible. Let's go on to the assessment. Make sure that you have your paper out now. You can pause the video if you need. Write your name and the date on top. And let's begin. I will say the word, use it in a sentence, and repeat the word. Again, feel free to pause or rewind at any moment. Make sure that you get all 11 words. There are 10 words and 1 bonus word. The bonus counts if you get it correct, you'll get that extra point. But if you get it incorrect, it does not count against you. Let's begin. Number 1, box. I found a box on my porch and was excited to see what was inside. Box. 2, goal. I set a goal at the new year that I would work hard every day and learn as much as I can. Goal. Number 3, knock. Goldilocks learned that she should knock on the door before entering, otherwise you might get a surprise. Knock. 4, stop. I saw someone get pulled over by a policeman because they rolled through a stop sign. Stop. 5, slope. In Utah, where I went to school, many people would go to a ski slope or hill to go and ski. Slope. 6, foam. Foam is really fun to play with. It feels good in your hands. Foam. 7, drop. When you are lifting weights, you do not want to drop the weight on your foot. Drop. Number 8, whole. I was with someone who could eat a whole pizza. Whole. 9, 1. You want to make sure that you look at each one of your answers and make sure that they are correct. 1. 10, chose. I chose to work hard and see what I could do every day to learn when I was in college, in high school, middle school, and elementary school. Chose. And your bonus, number 11, lock. You want to make sure to lock your door so that you are safe at night. Lock. Okay, at this moment, you are done with your assessment. If you are not sure about a word, feel free to rewind and listen again. When you are done, you can go on to the next assignment. This assignment is to make sure that you finish your context clues assessment. This is the last day that you will have to work on it. So get your context clues assessment from your folder and complete it. If it's in your folder, that means that you have not completed it. There is the story on one side, about 5 questions on the other side, then there's a separate paper that has 2 very short questions where you just read the 1 sentence above it and answer the question. Make sure, looking at the second bullet here, right here, make sure that you show your thinking on the graphic organizer. That is always the expectation in 2nd grade or in kindergarten up through 5th grade. We're always showing our thinking. Then, when you are done, if you have extra time, read independently. Write 1 sticky note to Mrs. Harper to summarize what you read. The sticky note can be found in your folder. For example, you might say, when I read, it talked about how the character did this and that. Be specific. Just a quick summary. Then finally, complete your independent work rubric, as always, to show what you have learned and worked on today. Excellent job, 4th graders. Have a great day.